We have tons of stimulus check information just for you. Are you looking for certain states that are offering stimulus checks? Well, we have all that information, the most up-to-date that just come out today here in this video. Several of you guys have been asking for certain states, and guys, this is a video that you don't want to miss, as well as what is Joe Biden doing with passing some certain laws. And we are announcing one of the winners who are going to win $100 on this channel. We're giving away $100 to 15 lucky subscribers, and we are announcing one of those winners today. So guys, let's just say you don't want to miss. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another show where we keep you updated on everything stimulus and things that are happening in this country that you need to know about. Now, we know that times are tough and that people need financial relief. That's why we do the research to look for every single state that is sending out stimulus checks, and we have the most up-to-date news for you today. So guys, we know that many things are happening in this country, like the war in Ukraine. Joe Biden, what is he doing, guys? He is literally just made marijuana reform a major 2022 issue. Democrats should run with it. Voters of all backgrounds support pardoning Americans with federal convictions for marijuana possession. So from you viewers, how does this sound to you? I don't really feel good about this, and I don't really understand it. Now, I know that there are many people who use this for actual good reasons, healthcare reasons, medical reasons, but then there are a very, very large amount of people that do not use this for medical reasons. So guys, I would love to know from you viewers, why is Joe Biden jumping into this type of thing and trying to pardon those that were convicted for having marijuana? I mean, I thought that it was illegal, so now you're trying to say, well, I know it was bad then, but now it's not bad anymore. That's my thought. I mean, am I the only one that's thinking crazy? But yet again, guys, let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. We also have information on one of the lucky subscribers who is winning the $100. Yes, I'll be doing that towards the end of the video, but let's jump on to some inflation relief check information, because several of you guys are needing that information to stay updated on if checks are hitting your bank account. Inflation relief checks live online updates by state: California, Florida. Payments, who qualifies, and amounts. This information just come out today, and it's more than just California, it's more than just Florida, although Florida has been doing nothing but the child tax credit. But guys, I have some very, very important information right here on the screen, so let's dive in. Inflation relief checks live updates. California will be sending inflation relief payments. We already know that. But what are the eligibility requirements? And yet again, it was for those that filed their taxes and didn't hit a certain income bracket. Social Security Administration to release 2023 COLA on October 13th. I still got that day marked, and it could be as high as 8.5%. I think it will go a little bit higher, but that's what they're saying. Maine is sending out $850 to residents that must apply before the end of October. Checks worth $270 will be sent to 2 million households to combat inflation in New York. Virginia will issue a one-time tax rebate of $250 or $500, but taxes must be filed by November 1st in order to get those checks by this year. And those that live in Idaho, they provided an online portal to check on the state's one-time tax rebate. So this is where, if you live in the state of Ohio, then you need to go check that online portal to see if you're getting that tax rebate. 14 states have approved some measure of some sort of relief check or stimulus check for their residents. So here is some very interesting news that we came across. Could further support for Californians be on the way? It seems a special meeting in December could be herald the coming of further support for those that live in California. With energy usage typically at its highest over winter, the state administration could be looking at further help for residents. The meeting is still in 2 months. However, the current tax rebate the plan will provide is $1,050 for Californians to help them with the rise of inflation. But some breaking news, Governor Newsom says he will call for a special session on December 5th to address gas prices. So right then and there, they're already saying we're sending out these checks now, but we want to look December 5th on how we can put more money back in their pocket. And I truly wish that every state would do this. Several of you viewers commented saying, why is California the only state that is doing something and making big news about it? And that's a very good question. Nobody really knows why these other states haven't stepped up. I mean, they're not going local about it. They're not bringing news about it. But honestly, what I thought about was maybe the reason Gavin Newsom is doing all this publicly to get on TV is because he's trying to run for president one day. And he needs as much as publicity to get out there to let people know who he is. So now, if we look at Illinois, time is running out to claim up to $700 in one-time tax rebate from the Illinois Family Relief Plan. This will start going out automatically on September 12th, which several of you guys know about, because those checks before were only $50, $300 if you had dependents. Now, anyone who hasn't filed taxes can still access the rebates if they file on or before October 17th. So if you're in Illinois and you're looking for some tax relief, you might want to jump in on that deadline. New York checks, $270. Here's the requirements. New York is another state that is offering support, and it's a one-time payment to taxpayers through the additional New York State Child and Earned Income Tax payment, which is part of the state's budget for this fiscal year. According to the official state figures, about 1.7 million New Yorkers of the almost 20 million residents are eligible for the average payments of $270. Idaho has an online portal, like we mentioned before, for you to go on there and check to see if you're getting that tax rebate. Taxpayers need to file their taxes by December 31st to be eligible for the rebate. So guys, there is so much information here that those in Idaho need to go ahead and get their taxes filed to jump in to get that rebates. The governor said inflation relief is on the way thanks to our recent special session. $500 million in rebate checks are already heading to taxpayer bank accounts and mailboxes. And that's some very, very exciting news for those that live in Idaho, because several people have been saying, well, when is my check coming? Well, guys, the governor just announced today that several checks are already heading into people's mailboxes. And looking at this picture now, they said, when will the drop in gas prices come in California? Dates of welcome relief. So I know that a large part of the stimulus check was to help combat inflation, like high gas prices and things that are going out. And several people are having to adjust their budget just to stay afloat, just to actually pay for their bills. And this is one thing that kind of really threw me for a flip. I was passing the gas station the other day and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put gas, and I looked up and it was $3.36. Now, before you say, hey, that's cheap, guys, just a month ago, probably a month and a week ago, I looked up and it was $2.99. I thought gas was supposed to be going down. What happened? Why is it going back up? Yeah, it doesn't really make any sense. I just hope and wish that they would get their things together so that way we could be taken care of. I mean, guys, it doesn't make sense for gas to be that expensive, especially since we have all the necessity things to produce oil in this country. So guys, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. I hope that this video helped. Now, the moment that you have been waiting for. Guys, I wanted to do this random selection on YouTube to announce the winner, and I don't choose them. I hit the button and it goes through every comment and then it selects a winner, and I do my due diligence to make sure they're subscribed and they like this channel. So alright guys, so here we go. One of the 15 winners that we will announce today, and we will be doing this every Saturday to announce one winner of the $100 giveaway. So the winner this Saturday is Patty Hughie. Congratulations. I hope that I said it right. As you can see, it says, good morning. I sure can use this money. Guys, they are a liker and subscriber of this channel and a supporter. And I promised that I would give 15 lucky subscribers a chance to win $100. So Patty, congratulations. Thank you for your love and support. I promise, guys, we will give back to you to say thank you for watching and supporting this channel. Literally, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. We want to give back. So now, Patty, if you would, message me directly with your PayPal or Cash App information, and I will be sending you that money immediately. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And wait. We're doing another giveaway. 4 lucky subscribers get the chance to win a $25 gift card to any one of these 3 restaurants: Olive Garden, Cracker Barrel, and Red Lobster. And guys, this is something that we want to say thank you, and that True Life is covering the bill. So you get to pick. Let us know you subscribed and which number that you want, and you will get a chance to win that giveaway. And we're going to give that another week before we do that. So guys, I love you. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.